Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw using numbers. This creative technique transforms ordinary digits into fascinating objects, making drawing accessible and fun. We'll begin by selecting a simple number, perhaps a 2 or a 3, and then explore its inherent shapes. You'll discover how the curves and straight lines of each digit offer a unique foundation for your artistic creations. It's a wonderful way to spark imagination and develop your drawing skills. Let's start with the number 2. First, draw a large, clear number 2 on your page. Now look at the top curve. This can become the head of a graceful swan or a duck. Add a small beak and an eye. Next, extend the bottom curve of the 2 to form the bird's body and tail feathers. Finally, draw 2 small legs underneath. In just a few steps, your number 2 has transformed into a charming bird. Now let's try the number 3. Begin by drawing a prominent number 3. You can transform this into a beautiful butterfly. Connect the 2 humps of the 3 with a short line to create the butterfly's body. Then, add delicate antennae at the top and intricate patterns on the wings. Alternatively, if you rotate the 3, it can easily become a pair of full lips or even the top half of a heart. The possibilities are truly endless. To further develop your number drawing skills, remember to experiment. Try rotating numbers, combining them, or using them as starting points for more complex scenes. Always begin with light pencil strokes so you can easily erase and refine your work. Consistent practice, even for just 10 minutes a day, will significantly improve your ability to see shapes within numbers. Most importantly, have fun and let your creativity flow freely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.